Well, I think again the answers. I mean, I look at it in the book as far as in the same way I kind of how I just described it, in the sense that there are lots of projects, and I look at a couple of projects that are going on. But it's hard to say like what anyone should do, right? It almost depends on where you are, who you are, what you're connected with, what your talents are. It's hard. I mean, my book itself is journalism, right? So one of the things is it presents the problems, but it offers, examples of how this is not necessarily inevitable. And one example I bring up is this binational ecological restoration project that's going on the U.S.-Mexico border, and how they're harvesting water. And in a 15-year drought, they've actually, the water table has risen 30 feet by piling rocks in what's called gabiones to slow down the water in monsoon season in Arizona. So the soil then drinks the water and revives the area, and you can see that happening. And you see the water table rise. It's risen in Mexico, but it doesn't respect the border. It rises in the United States, and in a community in Mexico about 10 miles to the south, it's also rising.